So my very first day at SCI was on a Friday, and Steve Mullen gave me my first kind of duty as an SCI employee, and that was to drive down to Fort Wayne, Indiana in our fancy green station wagon. So at the time, being a 21-year-old guy in a green station wagon wasn't the kind of ruined my style a little bit, but ended up going down to college in Fort Wayne, leaving the state for the first time, driving wise, and going to university. And my job was to dismantle a LA 120, an old deck printer, in back of a classroom while the class was going on. So being a 21-year-old kid, it was pretty nerve-wracking. Driving out of the state in the first place, and also taking apart a printer that I've never even seen before. So that was my first day on the job at SCI.